These are top 3 expensive animals that cost more than a luxury car. Comment which one amazed you the most, but first you'll have incredible luck if you like and subscribe before this video ends. Number 3. Rare white lion cub. Price tag? Up to $140,000. That's more than a small house. And feeding it? Like raising a teenager. Number 2. Arabian horse. These beauties can cost millions. Sleek, strong, and stylish enough to make you swap your car for a saddle. Number 1. Tibetan Mastiff. This dog can cost over $1.5 million, big, fluffy, and guards your home like a 24/7 security system.